Hey everyone, if you're wondering how to use Uizard AI without paying for a subscription, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Uizard AI free plan and get the most out of its features in 2026. First, visit the Uizard website and create a free account using your email address, Google account, or another available sign-in method. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to the Uizard dashboard. From the dashboard, you can create a new project and start designing apps, websites, wireframes, prototypes, and user interfaces directly from your browser. One of the biggest advantages of Uizard is its AI-powered design tools. Depending on the current free plan features, you may be able to generate layouts, wireframes, and interface designs using simple text prompts. To get started, create a new project and choose whether you want to build a mobile app, website, dashboard, or another type of interface. And that's how to use the Uizard AI free plan in 2026. It's a great way to explore AI-powered UI and UX design tools without spending money up front. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.